Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and I have a project share for you. Now the paper I used was Decorate Your Life Debutante and La Condesa paper packs. I'll link the store underneath this video in the description area. But I used one pack of each. One had 28 sheets total and the other one had 16 sheets. So I did end up using all the prints. I did have some tag sheets left over, but I want to show you this. It came out really cute. I kind of got my shabby chic on and a lot of lace, bling, used stickles. And this, after wrapping, is about 9 1/4 by 9 1/4 with about a 2 3/4 spine. And I used some flowers from my shop. Let's get into it. So the first page is I used a cut apart and a band to keep things shut. And on the back side there is a place I could put a photo right over this if I wanted. Up here I used some lace and it folds out, and I have a photo mat and part of the paper collection. I thought that would be really cool to use to journal. But there is this pocket and an open area for a photograph. Opens up this way. There's another place right over here to place a photograph, and I left it so I can tuck a photo right back behind if I wanted. Up here I left alone. And inside here we have a large pocket, and I made this folder and I did not finish the inside. I've got lace going on. Here's a tuck, and I put a photo mat back behind there, but you can use this space to place a photo, and I have a little tag. Over here I have a pocket, and I just love this paper. It is so beautiful. Photo mat and another little tag. Going to my next page, I have this magnetic fold out, and the sun is coming through, so sorry about that. I got a streak going across. Here's a place for a photo. Here's a place for a photo. This is a little tuck area, so I can tuck the photo back behind. And you open that up. There's another place for a photograph. This just flips down and gives me a spot to either journal or place a photograph. Large pocket back here. And I have a photo mat, and I made this little folder. Over here I left alone to showcase a photo. Next page I've got the bling and the lace going on, and I've got this beautiful pocket with the paper, and I shaped it around the print. Photo mat in there, and you can get a lot more than what I did in here if you choose to try to replicate this. And I'm going to bring it up. It's kind of hard with the light coming in. I shut the blinds, but it's peeking through. Sorry about that. Pocket, large pocket here. And I have another piece of the print that I cut out for a journaling tag, a larger one. Over here, there's a place to journal or put a smaller photograph. It's magnetic and it flips up. This one flips down. And a large side pocket. Over here is a half page that I created a double pocket. So there is a pocket right here, and on the back side, another pocket, large pocket. But the fun thing about this one is I created a band, and behind the band I have a piece of the paper for journaling and a large picture mat. One of my favorite pages is this last one. I love this bird. So I cut around it, fussy cutted, mounted it to some black cardstock, made a band, and back over here, I don't know if you'd see, for a smaller photo. Place photos here if you wanted, and this opens up. place for a photograph. We have a tuck spot. I have a couple pieces for journaling. I can place a photo back there. And this is another fold out. And I've got a photo mat and another one of these. And then it opens up. Great place for a photograph and some spot over here for journaling. And this, you could always layer a photograph and have some of the birds showing. So that is what I created with that paper pack. Came out just really pretty. I haven't worked a whole lot with lace lately or the bling, and I absolutely had fun. I just had a ball putting this together. Everything flowed together. Those two paper packs just blended nicely. So I hope you like the project. Share it if you're looking for the paper. Again, link to the store underneath my video in the description area. Happy crafting, and I'll see you real soon.